In April 2025, General Motors GM announced a massive recall involving nearly 600,000 vehicles in the United States. The recall was issued due to a potential engine defect that could cause the engine to suddenly shut off while driving posing. A serious safety risk, ***, the recall affects approximately 597,630 vehicles in the U.S. and about 721,000 worldwide. Models include the Cadillac Escalade, Chevrolet Silverado, Suburban, Tahoe, and GMC Sierra, Yukon, and Yukon XL ranging from 2021 to 2024. GM will inspect affected engines and repair or replace defective components at no cost to owners. For vehicles that pass inspection, they'll upgrade the engine oil to a higher viscosity, replace the oil cap and filter, and update the owner's manual accordingly. ***, if you own one of the mentioned models, you can visit the GM Recall website and enter your vehicle identification number VIN to check if your car is affected. You can also call customer support for further guidance. ***, this large-scale recall demonstrates GM's commitment to customer safety. If you own one of the affected models, it's highly recommended to check your vehicle and contact your local dealer as soon as possible. ***, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more car news and updates. ***, and don't forget drop a comment below to tell us if your car was affected.